Hey guys, welcome to The Girl Habit. I'm going to be showing you today how I do my daytime makeup look. First, I like to hydrate my face. I like to use some serums, moisturizers to get my skin prepped for makeup. I'm going to be using this tea tree oil by Advanced Clinicals. It clears any redness or bumps. My skin is very sensitive. I like to use this as a base. I put it on my neck as well. Anything that I use, I cover my neck with. Next, I'm going to use True Botanicals Pure Radiance Oil. This is one of my favorite companies. It's all natural. I really like to layer on the oils, if you could tell. I actually rather my skin look shiny than too dry. I give myself a little massage to drain any water retention on the eyes. I love taking the time to really prep my skin if I have time. I even let the oil sit for a bit and let it really set in before I apply any makeup on. Wait for a minute. Now it's time to go into my makeup bag. Let's see what's inside. First out of my bag, I like to use the Mercier Foundation Primer. And this is in the color Radiance Bronze. So I rub it in my hands first. It really gives you a good base of a glow. Sometimes this is all I put on. Put it on my eyes. Next up is foundation. I only really like foundations because I like it to look like my skin. I don't like anything too matte, anything that dries me out. So I discovered this foundation by Chantecaille. It's called Future Skin, and I kind of just love that name. This is also something you can layer, so I take really little to start and spread it around my hands, and you can see that I use my hands a lot when putting on makeup. This is a concealer I have by Hourglass in Hidden Sand. Concealer is a girl's best friend. I use this to cover any little spots I have. Definitely have some spots. I love concealer so much because the minute I put it on, I feel like a new woman. Concealer has always been a confidence booster for me, especially with my color skin tone. It really shows every little spot, and it's nice having something that just hides it, and it's pretty minimal. Something if I need to, I'll take it in my purse. It's small enough. I'm going to use the YSL Touche Pen. A very light concealer. It also brightens up, and this is what I use to cover my under eyes. I don't mind a little bit of, you can see the difference underneath the color of your eyes. I don't personally like when it matches the skin tone completely. This also brightens the areas where you may have some lines. A little on my forehead. And then I put some on my nose. When the skin is done, I'm already feeling so much better. Next, I'm going to do the eyebrows. This is the Life Brow by Sunny's Face, one of my favorite companies. I'm going to brush my brows up. I know I have pretty nice brows, but there's still little spaces that I like to fill in. I am going to do a little bit of bronzer. Since it's spring and I like to look tan. I'm going to go around my hairline. And then I even like to do a little bit of my neck. My favorite highlighter by Milk in Lit is my favorite because I kind of go crazy with highlighter, and sometimes I don't rub it in, and then I go and I see my friends and they're like, oh. So this I don't really have to worry about it. But above my lip. Next, I put on some blush, and this I take with me everywhere. I probably have like 5 of these. It's by The Fat and the Moon, and it's an all-natural lip and cheek stain. I put it on the nose to give a little sun-kissed look. This has a really creamy texture. So it really melts on contact with the skin. I'm going to be showing you an eye that I like to do that's super natural. This is by Vapour, another natural line, and it's in Smolder. Let's rub this. God, you make such weird faces when you do makeup. I don't know how to stop it. I'll start smudging it in. I'll go up to my brow. You see it gives a little bit of a darker. You can see the contrast between my skin and my eye. And I always go a little bit underneath. I don't know why, but I like it. Next is mascara. This is Erez Perez. It's in brown. I believe it's called Natural Almond Mascara. A little messy, but I'll use a Q-tip to take that off. I also like to do my bottom lashes. Go underneath. Nothing a Q-tip can't fix. I love wearing perfume. It just makes me feel fresh, and I usually take this in my bag as well. This is by Mercier. This is a roll-on. I put on my wrist. It smells so good. It already makes me feel so fresh. This is my favorite lip I discovered from Chanel. Actually, my friend Farah, who's a makeup artist, she used this in an editorial for Pop Magazine with Bianca Balti, and I had to know what the lip color was, and she told me, and it's Rouge Coco 416. So, I just apply it correctly. I do it super lightly, more of like a little natural stain. This is Mcgrath's Blitz Gold Lust Lip Gloss, and I love it. Just automatically makes your lips look so much plumper. Alright, this is my all-natural daytime look. I'll see you guys soon. This is the Girl Habit, signing out. Mwah.